All right, this is a quick video to talk about the secure file priv issue that you may have when you're working with this assignment. Essentially what it is it's the directory that it has the ability to load data directly into the database. So if you are using the client, the server, and you're writing code that interacts with the server, that server only allows a specific directory where it can load data files from. And that's a good way to control read access to your data from the server, because, well, it's just more secure. I mean, let's make sure that we keep the directories that we have the ability to load into the server, specific. So to modify this, you can do a couple different things. Or to get this to work, you can do a couple different things. You could move the text file you're loading into the database to another directory, or you can change the secure file priv value in your ini file. That's two different ways you can resolve this. Here's another, this is one way, and that's just to open it up to everything. And that's okay for this set of assignments. But eventually you would, if you're actually running a real life server, you would have that controlled, and any data that you needed to load in directly from the disk would go through and be in that directory. So to get to this, we would go to our task tray and WAMP. I'm going to left click on it, and remember, we can right click on it too to get different types of menu options. I'm using MariaDB, so I'm going to go my.ini, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to look for that secure file priv, and I think, let's see here, try to make this a little bigger. Secure file priv right here. Now, what it was before I made that change was something like this. That's an example. Actually, it directly was this. The temp directory. Right now, just empty it, or move your file over, the text file over to that directory. It may, be easier for you just to get through the assignment by working with this. So that's your fix. I would then exit this, and of course you're going to need to restart the server. Then I'm going to verify that we are good. There's a secure file priv with nothing in it, wide open, so your database server will be able to load data from any directory on the file system. Okay, guys, Medium has a good article on it, secure priv. My search term was, what is secure file priv? That would get you to give a little bit more results and background information on it. So, take care.